Hello everyone, this is Kage of Ronin Syndicate Guild and welcome to Kage's Watchtower. Today I'll be discussing Axie Infinity Codex Season 1, Song of the Soil. This started guys April 6 of 2026. So what is Axie Infinity Codex? This is like a battle pass guys, so it gives you rewards as you progress through the battle pass. Ano mga rewards na pwede makuha? Meron yung BAAXS token, accessories, spirit clay, seasonal backgrounds, and perks for daily bounties. So if you haven't subscribed to Codex, this is the time guys to register. How can you get these rewards? You need to purchase the pats of Codex. Meron yang 3 pats guys. Each pat costs 4 AXS or BAXS. So if bibili mo lahat, that will cost you 12 AXS or BAXS. These are the pats. Each pat has 20 levels. All pats combined, there are 60 levels that you need to reach. Once you reach level 60, makukuha mo yung Codex Orb. Currently, Season 0 Codex Orb is selling around 20 USD at the moment. Going back to the pats, first we have K and the first golem. Second, the golems of wars. Third, the black kiln. Once you reach certain points in each pets guys, you will unlock the perks. Yung mga perks guys, makikita nyo sa right side ng video natin ngayon. So example, for K the first golem, it will give you 2 free rerolls and additional points for daily milestone. For Golem of War, additional quest slot and ability to select quest pools for additional slot. And for the Black Kiln, higher master quest chance on rerolls. Players have the option to arrange the order of the pats kung anong gusto mong unahin and ihuli. If you are a budget player like me with limited assets, I highly suggest to get the K, the first golem, then you can proceed to the Golem of Wars, and lastly, the Black Kiln. Mas gusto ko na yung additional points and 2 rerolls. Bakit? Dahil mas gusto kong mas marami akong matapos na quest. Instead na marami nga akong quest pero wala akong magawa. Let me give you more reason why you need to purchase the Codex Season 1 for Axie Infinity. Currently, there's an ongoing Atia Legacy playtest with 1,000 BAX rewards. And if you purchase the Codex, they will give you a code for the playtest. Meron pa guys, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, if you purchase the Codex, you will be eligible to play the Mini-Pat milestone. Also, you'll be able to participate in the Race to Season 1 Codex Orb. And lastly, the Codex Creator Contest. Ang total ng rewards ni Axie for that is 7,000 BAXS. So, what are you waiting for guys? This is the sign to purchase your first pat of the Codex. That's it for this video. Again, this is Kage's Watchtower, and I hope you get the high ground in Axie Infinity's Codex Season 1.